reviewing the Toastmaster 2-slice toaster. And this toaster has cool to the touch sides. So like if you're cooking something, but you touch these sides, the shiny parts there, the black parts, as something to cooking, it won't burn you. The unit also comes with a set of toaster tongs with their holder. So I'm going to toast a slice of wheat bread to test the unit. Well, first, before you use the toaster, make sure that it is plugged in to an electrical socket in your kitchen. Is this plugged in? I hope it is. Mom, is this plugged in?
Yeah, you can check it.
How do I know?
All the way to the plug.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
It goes?
Yep.
I think it is plugged in. Yes, it is. So, now let's make toast. So, first off, you have to get your bread out. Okay, if this is even the bread.
Mm-hmm.
So, going to open. This I think toasters are very easy to use. They're a lot easier than toaster ovens. I think a toaster oven review is going to be my next video, which is what you're going to do. So, if I can even get this twisty tie off, ignore that in the background, the fridge in the background.
Yep.
So, sorry for all the background noise. Okay. And there are only 2 levers on this. The top.
Can you just do one piece, please?
Let me get one out. So the top is your lever to start it. And then the bottom controls how long you want to cook something. Or toast something. So I'm going to, what do you think a good setting for toast is? Like 2.5 or 2?
Yep.
Where's 2? Right there?
Let me see. Move your fingers. Yep.
This goes from cancel all the way down to 6. So I'm going to turn it to 2. It's on 2. Now I'm going to start it. Toast cycle started. When the toast cycle is done, it'll pop the toast up. So I think that this might be a pretty good setting for toast. I'm not really sure, but I think it might be.
Meanwhile, you can get some waffles out.
But meanwhile, I'm going to get some waffles out because I'm also going to make those too to test the unit as well because I can, if these are the waffles. Where are the strawberry chocolate ones? Because
To the left.
the cinnamon toast ones don't really taste that good anymore. So I'm just getting some frozen waffles out because I'm going to make those after toast. To show you. I'm going to wait for the toast to pop. What can I do when I get it out? Because usually after I make something, I just like to taste it to see if it came out good.
Well, you'll need to get a plate, correct?
Let me get a plate because usually when I review a certain appliance, I like to taste it to see if it came out good. Come on, toaster.
Just a small one.
We're going to get a small one. Here we go. I'm waiting. And you heard that pop there. That means it's done. So I'm going to get my toaster tongs.
Pull the unit towards you.
So these tongs are just for getting out hot stuff, for like gripping it. So, toast is now done. Can you let me get the toast out here?
Which use your right hand.
I'm mainly right-handed, so I'm going to use my right hand to get it out.
Try it again. Up. Open up the tongs first.
I got them.
No, you gotta open it up first. There you go. Keep them open and don't pinch. Get it over the toast and then pinch.
think the toast is nice and done. It should be. Let me just get my...
That's done for people who like their toast extra toasty, right?
Or this is for, like, people who like their toast extra toasty. So I'm going to... Can you help me with my toaster tongs here?
Leave them out because you'll need them for your waffles.
Oh, I'm going to leave these out because I'll need the waffles. It's done, and this is what the toast looks like.
Turn this way.
This is what the toast looks like. It's still kind of hot, but whatever. Taste it. I think this is I think it's not too crispy and it's not too chewy. I would say this is a decent piece of toast. I would say this is an acceptable piece of toast. Now, finally, I'll make frozen waffles. I think a good setting for waffles would have to be 3. If I can even get the waffles out here. Can't we get the waffles?
Pull the bag out.
Now these waffles, it's going to take me a little longer because I have to cut them up. After this review, we'll put the braille dots on the toaster before we do the, before you do the review. Now you can take over and explain to the viewers what I'm doing here.
Well, you need to explain to the viewers the difference between a thick and fluffy waffle or just the thin ones.
Well, so the thin ones, I think this is still cooling down. I'm not really sure. The thick waffles are more like fluffier. I'm just gonna wait because this is still trying to cool off.
Just drop. There you go.
Okay, I'm going to turn it to 3. Do you think 3 is a good setting for waffles?
Sure.
3's right there, right?
Straight up, right? Put it a little bit more to the right, clockwise. Let me see, move your hands. That's good. That's 3.5 for thick waffles.
Yeah, I think 3.5 is a good setting for thick waffles, so here we go. So,
I want you to put your stuff away while you're waiting, right?
I'm going to put this away while I wait. Just put this back in. There we go. I'm going to put these back in the freezer after I put the box closed. Can you help me close the box?
You got it.
Oh, this freezer just closed by itself, so you gotta be. There we go. I think 3, if you have another 3.5, it's gonna take a little longer to toast. Oh, I can hear a bit of hiss. Do you hear, Mom? I kind of hear a bit of hiss right now coming from the toaster.
Mm-hmm. It's not a hiss, it's a sizzle.
Or, it's not really hissing, it's just sizzling. I don't know why it sizzles, though.
Because your stuff is cooking.
Well, when you make toast, it doesn't sizzle, though.
I believe because the waffles were cold, Houston.
Sorry, just handing everybody a toast there. I think this is a pretty good piece of toast. I think 2 is a good setting for toast, and I think 3.5 is a pretty good setting for waffles. My cat's doing something. So, sorry for all the meowing. Sorry for all the background noise. Oh, it popped, but I don't think they're done yet. Are they done yet?
I think so.
What should they turn it to? Cancel?
It popped out. It's done.
Well,
Once it pops, it's done.
This is
Just switch hands.
okay. I'm going to
Open the tongs up. Okay.
Now these waffles you have to like cut them up.
Sure. Or you can just hold it and bite.
Or I think cutting it up is easier. Because
Okay, go ahead.
that way I don't have to worry about biting.
You got it, almost. Get it over.
The top is very hot, so use the toaster tongs to get your food out. But the sides are cool. Okay. Now let's cut these waffles up. These are not waffles. These are actually called wafflers. Which, it's a funny name.
Why don't you do a taste test, and then we'll cut it up and end the video. And enjoy our breakfast, okay?
When are you going to do a review of the toaster oven, though?
We will do that on the next video.
We'll do that.
Tell your viewers how the waffle was.
I think
Show it, right?
It's done, and this is what the waffles look like.
Turn this way.
It's kind of hot, so... Oh, I know what. Maybe while I'm eating breakfast you can do the toaster review, since you're going to be the one who's doing the review of the toaster oven. And I can just, like, eat and watch.
Okay, let's end this video.
I'll taste it. After I finish my white toast, I'll taste it. I think this is an acceptable waffle.
Turn.
So, I think the Toastmaster 2-Slice Toaster makes really good toast and really good waffles. So, I hope you found this review useful. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.